Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here this Page of Cups in the dalawang messenger. Page of Cups and Page of Swords. And we also have here this Nine of Swords and the Eight of Wands. The Star and Knight of Pentacles. Another Page of Pentacles and the Emperor. Bottom card is Five of Wands. So, ang dami ng dito madami na nagsasabi sa iyo na paulit-ulit na lang parang sirang plaka na itong mga naririnig mo or signs na nakikita mo. So, don't ignore the signs kasi paulit-ulit na lang ayan Page of Cups, Page of Swords, Page of Pentacles. So, marami na nagsabi sa iyo. Alam mo na yon. Marami na nagsabi sa iyo nito. Kaya wag mong ignore yung mga signs na nakikita mo. Okay? So, anong message ng Archangel natin? So, may specific signs tayo dito ng Aquarius and Aries. So, remember who you are. By Archangel Michael, you are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. So, divinely guided ka. You are spiritually, protected. Ganyan kakamahalang universe. So, tingnan natin more about this. So, kuha tayo ng mga signs and symbol cards natin dito. Kaya wag mong babaliwalain yung mga signs na nakikita mo. Hindi ka nababaliw. Yun ang isa sa mga paalala, no? Hindi ka nababaliw. You're not crazy seeing those things na parang feeling mo imposible, out of this world. Okay, so you're not crazy. Totoo yung mga nakikita mo. So, tingnan natin. Alam mo na yun. So, ayan. Lalo na sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa paligid natin, mukhang nabukas or bumukas or nagising ang sixth sense mo, third eye mo, ganyan. So, we have here the light bulb, knife. So, maiintindihan mo yan kung one of those, tawag dito, chosen ones or mga in this field. Ayan, alam mo na yon. So, we have here light bulb, knife, camera, ring, coffin, and the airplane. Okay. So, mukhang ang tagal mo tong inignore no? Kasi parang may iba pa sa inyo na nagpakonsulta na. Ayan. So, mukhang pero normal ka, huwag kang mag-alala. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. So, hindi ka lang talaga maiintindihan ng majority, ganyan. Hindi ka talaga maiintindihan. Kaya, wag mo na lang ito masyadong i-share. Lalo sa ibang tao na alam mo na i-judge ka lang or hindi ka paniniwalaan kasi sa paningin nila nababaliw ka. Pero, you're normal, okay? Tingnan pa natin more messages dito. And at the same time dito, itong mga na-experience mo ay magugulo ka din parang may dito, parang madidistract ka with this person. So, which is a good thing na madidistract ka or itong taong ito maaaring may soul purpose kayo, may soul mission kayo nitong taong ito. Maaaring siya mag-guide sa'yo or tulungan ka nitong taong to in your journey. Maaaring maging life partner mo rin nitong taong to na humantong kayo sa marriage in the future. So, mukhang may mga about this camera na magiging sign about you or maaaring may picture kayo together na you're not aware, doon magsisimula. Ayan. And maaaring itong taong to matagal ka nang binabantayan or matagal ka nang sinusundan-sundan kasi alam niya na ikaw yung kailangan niya in this in this mission. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Mukhang itong taong ito ay may Scorpio placement din. Ang lakas ng magnet nitong taong ito or magnetism. Ayan, so maaaring ikaw ang namamagnet niya. So, maaaring siya pala yung namamagnet mo, pwedeng ganun. So, tingnan natin. So, ang tingin kasi sa'yo ng tao, weird. Out of this world. Pero itong taong to na paparating sa'yo, maiintindihan ka niya deep in your soul. So, business is business. So, maaaring mag-start kayo as business partner, feeling left out in the cold. So, mukhang yung mga relationship mo in the past hindi nagtatagal. Kasi feeling, lagi niyo na sinasabi sa'yo na you're crazy, ganyan-ganyan. Parang you're out of your mind. Gano'n. Kaya hindi nagtatagal 'tong mga relationship mo, gino-ghost ka nila, ganyan. I want to grow old with you, pero itong taong ito na coming in your life, maaaring Aquarius, Aries, or yun ang placement niyong dalawa, ay maintindihan ka niya deep, okay? So, I'm addicted to you, naku, obsession, and I want to protect you. Ayan, oh, protector mo itong taong ito, kaya you're very lucky to have this person. Kasi divinely guided ka, spiritually protected ka, and you complete me. So, kayong dalawa ang kukumpleto sa isa't isa. So, I miss you so much. So, mukhang kilala mo na to, caught in the middle, and keeping tabs on you. So, yun, kilala mo na siya. So, tingnan pa natin. More messages. Ayan. So, mukhang yung huling usap ninyo mukhang hindi maganda. Ayan, sumama yung loob mo sa kanya. May mga nasabi siyang masakit na salita. I know I was a distraction from your pain. I wish things could be different. So, mukha kasing may third party in the picture na nagkakilala kayo, kaya you're not, ano, parang hindi kayo pwede ng mga panahong yon, caught in the middle, and I want you. Oh, okay. And I feel you even though we are apart. So, may something talaga about you and this person na may soul contract kayo or soul tribe or kung ano man twin flames or soulmate or kung ano man tong gusto nyong i-label. So, we both know I'm not the one for you kasi nga nung nagkakilala kayo, hindi pwede, no? So, I wish I could share my good news with you. So, yan, gusto niya sabihin niya sa'yo na maaaring pwede na, pwede na kayo. And I'm starting to understand their connection. Ayan, no? May something talaga sa connection niyo nitong taong ito. Okay? And I left when I saw you with someone. So, ayan, maaaring umiwas ka sa kanya kasi nga may third party or hindi kayo pwede nung mga panahong yun na nagkakilala kayo. So, tingnan pa natin, kuha tayo ng initials. Pero siya pala yung the one for you, yung pwedeng makasama mo in your lifetime. Marami kayong mga mission na kailangan tuparin or gawin nitong taong ito in this lifetime. So, we have here letter P, E, H, X, T, I, B, R. Letter S. Letter N. K, Y. And M, bottom card. So, let's see. Sa ating blue card, we have here, ang lakas ng chemistry. And, Union of Hearts. And this card, engagement, higher level of commitment. Okay, so, tingnan natin sa general signs and messages natin. We have here August, so mga special month for you and this person soon, and very, very soon. July, caring, high expectations, friendly. Capricorn, number 1, you're the one, North PH. Number 6 and smart, June, South PH. So, long distance kayo, North and South, pwedeng North and South. Long distance situation, ayan na nga, speaking, long distance. sarcastic, April, fantastic friend. Siguro nag-end yung huling usap niyo as friends, ganyan. Kasi hindi nga puwede, parang hindi kayo puwede. Noong nagkakilala kayo maaaring one of you or both of you are in a relationship, gorgeous, kind-hearted, and twin flame. Okay, November, logical, and the March. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye bye.